To remove a checkbox in Google Sheets, you need to open the Data Validation menu for that cell and click Remove Rule. Simply pressing the delete key will not work. It only clears the checkmark itself, leaving the interactive checkbox control stubbornly in place. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll walk you through the exact process, along with a few tips that will save you time and prevent frustration. Let's start with the most common scenario. You have a single checkbox cell you want to convert back into a regular data cell. First, click on that cell to select it. Then, look at the top menu bar and click on Data. From the drop-down, select Data Validation. A panel will open on the right side of your screen, showing you the rule that currently controls that cell. In this case, it will say something like checkbox. Right there at the bottom of the panel, you'll see a red button labeled Remove Rule. Click it. That's it. The checkbox is gone, and the cell is now a plain empty cell ready for anything you want to type into it. The reason this works is that checkboxes in Google Sheets aren't special objects you insert like images or drawings. They are a type of data validation, which is a set of instructions that tells the cell, only allow a check or an uncheck. When you remove that validation rule, you strip away that instruction, and the cell reverts to its default behavior of accepting any data. If you have a whole column or a large range of checkboxes to remove, say an entire task list for a completed project, you don't have to do them one by one. Just click and drag to select the entire range of cells that contain the checkboxes. You can also click the column letter at the top to select an entire column at once. Then go back to Data Validation, and click Remove Rule. Every single checkbox in that selection will vanish in one click. This is much faster than deleting them individually and keeps your worksheet clean without accidentally skipping a cell. A common mistake people make is thinking they can right-click on the checkbox and delete it, or that the clear function under Edit will do the job. Neither works. The checkbox is not a piece of content like text or a number. It's a rule applied to the cell's structure. So always use the Data Validation menu to remove it. If you ever accidentally remove a rule from cells you didn't mean to change, you can undo it immediately with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. Now, before you go removing checkboxes from a large spreadsheet, there's an important thing to check. If other parts of your sheet depend on those checkboxes, for example, if you have formulas that count how many tasks are checked, or if you have conditional formatting that highlights a row when a box is checked, removing the rule will break those features. The cell will no longer contain true or false values, so any formula referencing it may show an error or return 0. So take a moment to scan your sheet. Look for formulas starting with $COUNTIF, $if, or $SUM product that might reference the checkbox range. If you see any, you may want to either replace the checkboxes with simple yes/no text, or adjust your formulas before removing the rules. Once the rule is gone, the cell behaves exactly like any other cell in your sheet. You can immediately type text, numbers, dates, or even formulas into it. This is perfect if you're repurposing a checklist into a data table or a simple log. For example, if you had a column of checkboxes for to-do items, you can now turn that same column into a column of completion notes or due dates without having to insert new columns or move data around. If you later decide you want checkboxes back, don't worry. You can add them just as easily. Select the range, go to Insert, and choose Checkbox. Google Sheets will apply a fresh data validation rule to those cells. You don't need to remember any special settings, it's a one-click redo. To wrap up, you now know exactly how to remove checkboxes from any cell, range, or column in Google Sheets. The key is always to use the Data Validation menu and click Remove Rule, not the Delete key. Once you remove the rule, those cells become regular, flexible data cells again, ready for whatever your next project requires. If you ever need a reminder of these steps, feel free to save this video or come back to it. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheet building.